Hey, Gred Adler, president of Off-Road Warehouse, and we're out here in the desert with my 2017 Ford Raptor. This is my daily driver, and we've recently done some upgrades to it to take a great truck and make it even better. So, of course, at Off-Road Warehouse, we start with the suspension. We added Ibach coil springs to this truck, and Fox coilover and bypass shocks. So we've upgraded the shocks to the Fox factory upgrade. That made room for a 37-inch BFGoodrich mud terrain, and we wrapped them around some beautiful Raceline Ryno wheels. So I went with the mud terrain because we're going to really be using this truck down in Baja and at other off-road races to chase and to do some pre-running. So we needed something a little bit more aggressive, and we went with the Ryno Beadlock wheel for that same purpose. If we need to air down and get through some soft sand or something, we're able to do that with those beadlocks. So really excited about that package, and let me tell you some more about what we've done with this truck. All right, for those long nights out there chasing and pre-running, we upgraded to the rigid lights. So we've got the rigid bar down here, which is a combo bar for both spot and floodlights, and then these 6-inch rounds that are really light up the night for us. They are mounted to an ADD and Addictive Designs Pro front bumper, which not only gives us the look, gives us some more clearance and allows us to put on all these off-road lights. All right, so set up for chasing, we've added this bed rack in the back here. So not only to mount a couple of spare tires efficiently and safely, we've got our ProEagle jack mounted in here, and our kind of cooler bag, which allow us to keep some refreshments out on the trail and some cold beers for after pre-run and after chasing's done. And we've got the Max Trax boards just in case we get stuck. So really have everything we need to go out and do it and be prepared. So let's go check out inside the truck. All right, so inside, everything that you need to be prepared for an off-road race, to chase or pre-run, is available at Off-Road Warehouse. So we start with a PCI radio, which allows us to have communications to our team. So we've got PCI radios. This mount you can see is inside, so the radio's hidden inside the center console, and there's various different mount options. And then the antenna is ran outside for the radio. Hey, Chase 1, you got a copy on Greg?
Yeah, this is Chase 1. I got a copy on Greg. Over.
All right, you were just live on video, so you did well and you didn't cuss, so thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, well, let's go get some lunch, and I'm almost done here. The mount that we have in this truck for the Lowerance GPS is by a company called Morgan Motorsports, and what's nice is when it's not in use, it can be flipped down out of the way, and then when you need to use it for race day, flip it up, cover comes off, GPS comes on, and you're ready to really chase and have all the tools that you need. So again, Off-Road Warehouse has been selling race parts and chase parts for over 50 years. So we can hook up your vehicle, your chase vehicle, your race vehicle, or your everyday driver. So check it out, offroadwarehouse.com, or see one of our 8 stores throughout the West Coast and even out in Marietta, Georgia.